Welcome! Not to make it weird, but my name is Dan. I am creating content for Deadman's Beard Co. Love partnering with them for these educational type videos. And today is answering a question that many people wonder and look up and ask, and that would be beard butter. Woo! Deadman's has one of the best, smoothest, most nourishing, most loved beard butters in the industry. But people would say, hey, when do I take it? The good news, you guys, the options are yours. If you love this, by the way, hit that thumbs up. Consider subscribing to Deadman's. They appreciate it. But the options are yours. I'm going to lay out kind of a couple scenarios. Number one is what I do. I go beard oil only during the day because I like my beard to flow and move. I like to be able to touch it and not have butter on the beard. Totally personal preference. And then at night, I use beard butter before bed. I do a shower in the morning and a shower at night. I don't know if I'm a clean freak. I just like it that way. So I'll use beard oil after my night shower, wait 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'll go with beard butter. I love beard butter at nighttime because it's like a leave-in conditioner, but way better. It is nourishing. It is softening. It's protecting. So when I wake up in the morning and I rinse my beard out, run those fingers through my beard, smooth, baby. If I don't use beard butter, if I'm on like a trip or something and I forgot it, I notice a huge difference, and this is one of the best I've ever used. So I personally use it at night. All right, many of you should. I recommend that. Dan, I just love the feel of butter in the morning. I love how it kind of styles my beard, but it's not as firm as a balm. Can I use it at night and the morning? Yes, absolutely. Genuinely nothing wrong with it. Just try not to use too much. I recommend not getting it down and massaging into the skin. Some people do and get away with it. That's awesome. It's just not something that I personally recommend. So you can use it morning and night. All right, Dan, I don't like going to bed with beard butter, but I do like it in the morning. Can I use it just in the morning? Yes, 100%. The long chain fatty acids in beard butter add nourishment that oil just simply cannot, and it's good for the beard hairs anytime you can get that in. So beard butter, truly up to you. I recommend starting at night, but if you want to try it in the morning as well, or instead of, that works as well. Down below, you guys leave a comment. What is your beard butter routine like? Have you tried Deadman's? Do you enjoy it? And what questions do you have? Deadman's and even myself, I'll tune in on my Dancy Bearded account and comment and reply to you guys from time to time. Try to help out when I can. Put it down below. Any experiences, questions, thoughts. Thank you guys for watching today. Give Deadman's a shot. I know they have some stuff waiting that you're going to love.